Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how can you quantify your Western blot images using ImageJ software. So first of all I will open the software and then I will go to file and I will select open. So this option will take me to the folder in which I have the blot I want to quantify. So I have this blot saved with the name gap.ph. So I will open this Western blot. So on this Western blot image, so basically I checked the expression of gap pH in my samples. So I ran total 5 samples. So now I want to check the expression of this protein in each sample. So for that purpose, I need to check the pixel intensity of each band because basically ImageJ software calculate the pixel intensity and with the help of pixel intensity, you can check the protein expression level. So for that purpose, first of all, I will select the rectangular option and I will select my bands and then I will press Ctrl plus 1. So basically this option, in this options, you are basically selecting your bands. So now they are asking you, are the lanes really horizontal? So yes, the lanes are horizontal and you will select yes. And the next thing you will do is press Ctrl F3. So now ImageJ has plotted the pixel intensity of each band for you. So now you need to calculate the intensity basically. So to calculate intensity of each band separately, you have to separate each intensity, separate them from each other. So for that purpose, I will select another tool, which is straight line tool. So basically, with the help of this tool, you can draw straight line on your image. So now I will put straight lines between the intensity of uh, two bands, separate them from each other. So now I will calculate the intensity of each band separately. For that purpose, I will select another tool, which is this one. So basically, this is a tracing tool that will show you your pixel intensity. So I will basically run this for each band. So this is my first band, this is my second band, this is my third band, this is my fourth band, and this is my fifth. So now, because of this tool, another window will appear, and in this window, you can see these numbers are basically the pixel intensity of each band. So basically, we are measuring the expression of each band on the basis of pixel intensity. Now I want to save these results. So what I will do, I will go to the folder. I will create a Excel sheet and I will name this Excel sheet, for example, gap.ph. Can name anything. We'll open the Excel sheet and then I will go to that window and then I will select everything with the help of Control A and then I will copy and then I will come to Excel and then I will paste my result. So the intensity was for my gap.ph protein. So I will title the column with gap.ph. So yeah, so I have saved my results in Excel sheet. I will close the Excel sheet. So that's all. So this is the easiest way you can check the expression of your protein with the help of ImageJ. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.